This is the safety equipment you will need for changing your spark plug. We have a pair of safety glasses and a pair of good rubber gloves. These are the tools required for replacing your spark plug. We have a 3/8 ratchet with an extension if needed. We have a 5/8, 3/4, or 13/16 spark plug socket, depending on the size of the spark plug. These are the tools needed to set the gap on your spark plug. We have a set of feeler gauges and we have the spark plug itself. When setting your spark plug gap, we have a movable electrode and a fixed electrode. The gap is set in between those two. Feeler gauges come in a variety of sizes, measured in thousandths of an inch, with each size being stamped on the feeler gauge that it is. 30 thousandths is the most common size that we use, and it should fit snugly between the electrodes on the spark plug. To change the spark plug on our 2-stage 4-cycle snowblower, you'll need to locate the spark plug at the top of the engine. It's usually very visible, not hard to find. Remove the spark plug boot by using a gentle twisting action. Once you've removed the boot, use the appropriate size socket, turn in a counterclockwise left-hand direction until you've loosened the spark plug. You can remove it by hand after you've loosened it with your socket. Once you've chosen a manufacturer's recommended replacement spark plug and gapped it at the proper gap, reinstall it into the hole, turn it in a clockwise or right-hand direction until it's finger tight, and use your ratchet to give it about another 1/4 of a turn to get it tight. Replace your spark plug boot, and you've replaced the spark plug in your snowblower engine.